Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Me, Mohamed Shuaib Bin Rahmat, and my group want to present about home automation. Okay, this is our group member list, which is Mohamed Shahzwan bin Mohamed Shahiful Hizan, Mohamed Nur Ameen Bin Ismail, Nur Syafika Binti Nawi, and me, Mohamed Nor Shuaib Bin Rahmat. So, for the introduction of home automation is referred to the automatic and electronic control of household function, activities, and electrical appliances. Then, home automation is a network of hardware, communication, and electronic interface that operate to integrate everyday devices with each other over the internet. Next, automation systems are very applicable in the industry called industrial automation, and at the same time, today's home automation is doing its part to make social life smarter. Other than that, a home automation prototype can be easily implemented using Arduino relay module, Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, or Bluetooth module with a PC or microcomputer. And lastly, of all the recent advances in technology, smart home devices are one of the most popular and widely known. For the objective of home automation, smart home is to improve the quality of life and convenience in the home. Other goals are greater security and more efficient use of energy thanks to connected, remote controllable devices. And it will also save time and energy because all electrical appliances can be controlled remotely even when not at home by having an internet network only. And lastly, smart home appliances come with the self-learning skills so they can learn the homeowner's schedule and make adjustments as needed.
System description. When the program starts, the display will show three main areas, that is 1A kitchen, 1B living room, and 1C bathroom and laundry room. After selecting the area, user can choose what to control in the area. For example, in kitchen, there are dim light control, smart curtain control, and water dispenser level control. For 1B living room, there are dim light control, fan speed control, and air conditioner temperature control. Lastly, bathroom and laundry room, there are water level control for washing machine, lamp control, and shower water temperature control.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now we want to look for the coding that has been built for this project. Okay, now first the delay and macro. The macro instruction is I use track task 23, which is for the second, the counter, and I will explain at the why I use this track task 23 at the end of the session. So first we start program start here, then clear button, then move button to D5, then Lia which is move dot byte 14 and DO Lia message and A1 thread 15. This tree is a task for display a message. If we execute here, we run the program, and this will be a display. Lia is load effective address, which is the message will move to the specified address register. Then move the W. Then all bits in D1 will be clear if we use ND, which is an immediate L. So all So all the bit will be clear at D1. Then move dot word D1, and the destination is A2, and increase by 2, increase by 2, which is the A2 is now is 3. Before the D1 is 1, because the D1 has been 0 is equal to 0, and then it moves 2 into A2, address 2, register 2. So, and then the A2 will increase or add by 2. Add by 2 because 1. Then the option same like usual, but yes, same usual. Then this same 2, which is move 14, and the message will display the message. And then this move dot byte for D0. So this and track 15. So this is for the get user option. So we enter we put the number, we input number, and then it will go to the memory. Okay, then compare user num1, and then before I forgot this get user option, which means the number that user put will put into the D1. So we will compare number 1 and D1. If it is equal, then go to task 1. So 2, if equal, go to task 2. So entry and go to task 3. If not, if 0 so 0 will be to exit. So the program will stop at here. Task option, label, and all answer. So the ASCII table. So ASCII table. Then this what the different for the this answer this. So this move dot byte 5 and do. Sorry, move dot byte 5 do. So this is for the ASCII option, which means we put ASCII character like A, B, C, D. Then the 2-digit will put, which is A, represent as when we convert to hexadecimal, we get 41, and then 41 will go to the D, what we set D0, and then we set the D0, no, D1, put into D1, because the CPU will get the answer from the user and put to D1, and then the number 41 will copy to D1. But if we use this, if we use where is it? Yeah, this, it will get 1. No, yeah, one digit. If we put 21 and put number 1 at D1, okay. Then answer, okay, this answer the test, all this for the all answer if we choose A, and then this for the answer A, we program like this for dim light. So this for the dim light, answer A, and then for the answer B is here. So for the smart curtain, I use if else if d4 equal to 0, which means the switch d4 we click or we turn on the switch, and then switch the switch will copy to d4, and if 0 equal to d4, so we go to BEQ branch equal to off this for the label, same like this. And then answer C, of C, answer D, display for the icon. Then option D, press button if bit 1, which means if we click the button at bit 1, and then it will go back to the option. So this for the heater. Then task with trap. I use the trap task to get dressed. Okay, this on this answer we take a look at the end of the chapter. Then display, get address, segment display, get button address, this button address, and this move for the A5. So this and this get button cause trap, same like this. Okay, move, trap. This is for the task 3. Task 3 for trap 15. Okay, then blah. T1 answer for the answer F for the washing machine, display water level. Yeah, we just use a basic, which is commonly we use compare, move, then Leah, and then trap. So that the common coding that we use. Then loop repeat this for the task F. Task F loop, which means the count. If the and then compare 0 and the content of the A5. Compare, then go to if equal, then go to count mode 0. Okay, then that's all. This for the same level 2 move 15. This for the 7 segment and convert into the hexadecimal. Okay, then coding this the initialize, we define all the character, all the label and here, and same this digit, this constant, define constant dot b, so define size. So and then why I use this, because I want to present the manual and this for the automatic, which is the loop will read this digit and it will go one by one, which is if one this for the two unit 7 segment display, which is over 9 greater, over 9. And then so how to pass at so we have 2 7 segment. So if 9, so it will back to 0, but it will pass, which is carry 1 to here, carry 1, so and this go back to 0, so it will become a 10. So we will use this digit. So this for the until 9. It's for until 9. And then it will go back to 0. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay, sorry. Before I forgot, for the track 15. So this all the tasks. Why I use this? So the beginning of the record, my presentation, move track task 23, which is delay and over 100 of a second. So the n is unsigned number 0 through FFFFF. Then so the delay release CPU, which reduce power consumption. So this all the tasks. If I choose task I remember move 14. So move 14, this display the null terminate string at A1 without cout LF. So this for the display. And if you want to enter and then enter a number, we will use like move dot by 4. Read a number from a keyboard into D1L. So if you remember, the 5 is for the ASCII character, and keyboard into D1 by. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
I will proceed our presentation with discussion. First one, home automation receive rapid acknowledgement as it is reliable to professionally perform complex tasks while providing convenience and comfort to the user. Second one, home automation system capable to control electrical appliance and electronic device in home or even through wireless communication. And then the third one, houses are becoming smarter than and develop this day with the help of automation device. And the last one, the entire operation are controlled by the computer that continuously communicate to the main controller. For the conclusion, overall, as this project involves design and implementation course enable to students to work and solve real-world problems and relate the work to real-world application. The selection of sensor type also requires high consideration and understanding upon its working style in order to ensure the data collected are really able to monitor and control the appliance. As for the software, the program created must be very thorough and its functionality is applicable to implement in home automation system. To meet the objective, all necessary steps are outlined in progress chart to ensure the project development always on track within the period of time.
Okay, this is a recommendation for those who want to apply the home automation in their house. So they can apply it at kitchen, living room, bathroom, laundry room. In kitchen, we can control dim light, smart curtain, and water dispenser level using home automation. In the living room, home automation can be applied to many electrical appliances, especially dim light, fan speed control, and air conditioning temperature control. For bathroom, we can control the lamp and water heater. And for the laundry room, we can also use home automation to control the lights and water level on the washing machine.